A guide to parental control profiles. Creating a child profile. 1. Visit worldwideweb.central.bitdefender.com and sign in to your Bitdefender Central account. 2. On the left-hand side menu, click on Parental Control. 3. Click on New Profile to create a new child profile. 4. Enter child's details: name, profile picture, and date of birth. Based on the child's age, Bitdefender automatically blocks certain categories such as chat, social networks, explicit content, and more. You can adjust blocked categories later. 5. Click the Save button. The new profile is created and appears on the page. Editing a child profile. You can access the child's profile you've set up by clicking the View Details button in the Parental Control section. From there, you'll find various options to manage the profile. 1. Click the View Details button from the child's profile. 2. To modify your child's profile, go to Edit Profile. 3. Use the corresponding field to change the child's name, birthday, and profile picture. 4. Click on Save Changes after altering the necessary details. Deleting a child profile. 1. Click the View Details button on the child's profile. 2. Go to Edit Profile. 3. Click on the Delete Profile button and confirm deletion. Assigning devices. 1. Click the View Details button on the child's profile. 2. Click on the number of devices listed under their name. 3. Click the Assign Device option. 4. Select the device name and then click the Assign button. Unassigning devices. 1. Click the View Details button on the child's profile. 2. Click on the number of devices listed under their name. 3. Locate the child's device and click the Unassigned Device option. 4. Press the Yes, Unassigned Device button to confirm the action. Thanks for watching.